Obesity is one of the frustrating things, and many seek to know its causes and how to create fat in the body. Some mistakenly believe that eating fatty meals stores fat directly in the body. But the truth is that the body works to break down or burn food, regardless of the elements present in them, to produce the energy necessary to perform all the vital functions of the body. In this video, we'll talk about obesity, its causes, and methods of treatment. First, you need to define metabolism. Metabolism is the sum of the chemical reactions that occur inside the body, in which food and beverages are broken down and converted into energy. This energy is used by the body to perform its vital tasks and functions. It is important to note that the energy resulting from the metabolic process is different from one person to another. People with a lot of muscle mass, for example, are able to burn or break down food more easily, and men usually have a faster metabolism than women. In addition, as people age, their metabolism tends to decrease. The body consumes the calories of all elements, as long as they are equivalent to the activity that the body performs. However, if the calories of the elements that enter the body are greater than the activity that the body performs, the body consumes only what is necessary and the excess elements turn into fat, regardless of whether they are proteins, carbohydrates or other nutrients. Then fat cells fill up and thus increase in size. Therefore, obesity is the result of an energy imbalance, with obese people consuming more energy than they are spending, and fat seeks weak muscles in the body and accumulates in them, usually in the abdominal region and in the buttocks, due to long sitting periods and lack of movement. Because strong muscles take up space and do not give opportunity for fat to multiply in them, this fat spreads through the body and accumulates in internal organs such as the liver, causing hepatic steatosis, or arteries, causing atherosclerosis. In addition, it causes elevated levels of cholesterol in the blood, high blood pressure and diabetes, due to increased resistance to insulin produced by the pancreas. How to get rid of fat? Since fat is caused by increasing nutrients beyond the body's need, the way to get rid of it is to make it equivalent to the body's need by adopting a balanced nutritional behavior and consuming nutrients that reward the body's activity. And, since fat accumulates in weak muscles, they must be strengthened through regular exercises. The important thing is that when we try to lose excess weight, we should focus on a diet that is not based on deprivation, as food deprivation will lead to a lack of some vitamins that are very important for the metabolism of fats, which will negatively affect fat loss. Now let's talk about some vitamins and their natural sources that should be incorporated into your diet to reduce fat. For best results, we start with vitamin D, which was found to reduce fat mass in the body, especially by controlling insulin levels in the blood, which will have a great impact on reducing waist circumference in particular. The most prominent foods that contain this vitamin are eggs and milk. It is preferable to consume milk with lower lactose sugar content. Fish also contain vitamin D, and we also confirm that vitamin D acts on appetite suppression for those suffering from appetite during the diet. And do not forget about the need for sun exposure. Vitamin B is important in the process of nerve connection, especially in driving to feel hungry or not. It increases the processes of breaking down fats and building muscles, which are factories for destroying fat cells in the body. It is worth mentioning that this vitamin is present in meats and fish products in particular. Now let's talk about the role of vitamin C, which increases the rate of breakdown of fats in the body. It has an antioxidant effect that increases metabolism in the body. All people suffering from deficiency of this vitamin face great difficulty in losing weight, despite the strict diet and great physical exertion. Vitamin C works especially to dissolve unwanted fat. Vitamin C is widely found in green peppers, lemons, and citrus fruits in general. The chili dish also contains a substance called capsaicin, which increases the levels of fat breakdown stored in the body. Finally, we have the role of vitamin A. When decreased, the follower of a diet will suffer a decrease in the activity of the thyroid gland, which is the magical gland responsible for many vital processes in the human body, including the process of fat metabolism and its loss. This vitamin is found in tuna, spinach, nuts, and bananas. As for drinks, if we want to add some, we recommend green coffee and green tea. These two drinks contain caffeine and catechins in large quantities. And it turned out that those who consume them daily and regularly have an increase in fat-breaking rates by 10% more than those who do not drink green tea and green coffee. Ginger and cinnamon are also important for boosting metabolism and breaking down fats, so it is advisable to add them to foods when preparing them. With that, we finished talking about some important aspects of obesity. Write your opinion in the comments section. If you liked this video, give a joinha and share with your friends and people who follow us for the first time. Subscribe to the channel and do not forget to activate the notification